In this quick video, we'll go through managing orders inside Pinnacle Cart. It's pretty straightforward. There's a couple of settings on this page we can tinker with, and we get here by going to, once we're logged in, we go to Orders, Customers, and then clicking on Orders, and then clicking on the customer that you want to manage that specific order for. So up here you've got the order ID, created date, order status, payment status, received, transaction ID, pretty straightforward stuff. Here's some things we can do. We can change the order status to process it, back order, canceled, or completed. This is useful when if you have a lot of orders and folks are looking at every order in order to ship something, if you're shipping stuff on your own, or if you need to, for whatever reason, sort through specific orders. When you're searching for them, you can search for them by these parameters. So search for process orders, search for back orders, so you can start to isolate and label each order if needed. It's a good practice to come in and hit completed once an order is 100% completed and shipped, so to speak. You got your billing address, shipping address, product ID here, on the product order, the price, pretty self-explanatory. You want to go ahead and put in the tracking number here as well, and choose the shipping method that was used, and then you want to send the notification to the customer. Put in the title, and any sort of notes you want to send to them, and you can send the email from right here. This tells you what the payment information was received. If you want to set the payment status, we want to say, yeah, this was completely received, and then we want to hit Save Changes. And you can view the edited order, or we can browse orders again. So once we get here, we go to Orders. You see that we can search things here. Again, we can go, we want to see everything that's been completed, and so search for that. So there was only a handful of them that were marked completed. If you want to just search for all your orders, go ahead and just click Any, and then hit Search, and that will allow you to open up all the orders that have been placed, and you can click on the individual name, and then you can start to manage that order. Again, change the order status and whatnot. So managing orders are pretty straightforward. You're going to have your own business processes that you have in place that will pretty much dictate how you use these labels here. And at the end of the day, there's a couple of fields here to fill in. You want to send them a notification that everything's on the way, got their tracking order, and then here we've got send notification when order is completed. When it does that, it'll send the customer an email that says, hey, we've completed your order, everything's shipped, and you're good to go. So I hope that was helpful, and please feel free to ask more questions if you have them down in the comments below. Thanks.